Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download an email message as PDF in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download an email message in PDF from Gmail, go to your Google Chrome browser and open the Gmail and go to the email message. I'm going to download this email message as PDF. Click on three dot icon on right corner, or you will find a print icon here, and then click on print. Here in destination, just click on save as PDF and then click on save and select the location where you want to save the PDF file and then click on save. Now I'm going to open the PDF file. This is the PDF file of my email message. Now I'm going to open it. This is the easiest way to download a email message as PDF from Gmail. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.